can take some people's issues personal.
uNkulunkulu uthatha indaba zabanye abantu zenze zakhe uqobo
And akusho ukuthi favoritism.
akusho ukuthi yakhe
Romans chapter 9 uthi ngizothanda lo ngumthandayo. Ese ungumzondile, but uIsaac ngimthandile. It means there are people who God is personal with them.
kusho ukuthi kunabantu uNkulunkulu abathatha bangibakho uqobo kuye
Depending on their obedience and the purity of their heart.
kuncike ekulaleleni kwabo nokuhlanzeka kwenhliziyo zabo
Ukuthi banjani enhlizweni. So if you want God to take your issues personal,
mawufuna uNkulunkulu athathe indaba zakhe azenze
learn obedience.
funda ukulalela
Learn how to follow him.
funda
And
ukumlalela
there's no obedience without paying attention.
akukho ukulalela
What you pay attention to,
okunakayo
it will teach you obedience.
yiko kuzokufundisa ukulalela
But if you don't pay attention to it,
kodwa uma
it
ungakunaki
means you are paying attention somewhere else.
kusho ukuthi unako kunye
Angeke ngilalele uTitus la, ngapha ngikhuluma no perfection. Ngibheka uperfection mara kukhuluma uTitus. You are not paying attention.
awunakile
You are not paying attention.
awunakile
Ngikhuluma no perfection, ngikhuluma uTitus. Yeah, ngiyakuzwa Titus, mara uperfection. There's no obedience there. That's how people behave.
indlela abantu
Ubhelele mara utulalela ngapha. Mara ubheke. Where are you looking?
ubhekephi
What you look at will attract you.
okubhekayo kuzokuheha
And you can't be able to listen to what you are not looking at.
ayeke futhi ukhona ukulalela lokho ongakubhekayo
So disobedience
ukungalaleli
causes many
kuyenza abaningi
when they go through troubles, through problems. uNkulunkulu akazithathi personal. Uvela kubheka so. I'm going to leave you there until you know how to listen to me.
zokushiya ukhona ukungilalela
So it means uprolonga lenhlupheko, uprolonga lobuhlungu.
uyayiyandisa
Because loka ufundi ukulalela. You understand? So when it comes to that, there's no amount of deliverance that will happen. We can lay hands on you. Nothing will happen.
akukho kuzoyenzeka
Because God wants to teach you
ngoba uNkulunkulu ufuna ukukufundisa
obedience.
ukulalela
Inzima, ne? God wants to teach you obedience. No matter there are issues, uNkulunkulu will show you. You pray for people.
uzokukhombisa
Nothing
ukhulekela
changes.
abantu.
You ask God, he
Akukho
says
okushintshayo
it won't change.
uNkulunkulu athi angeke kushintshe
It's the issue of obedience.
inkinga yokungalaleli
Okunye ukugula kuhamba. uNkulunkulu uthi angeke kuhamba until obedience.
azalalela
Huh? He says, I speak even through the bed of suffering.
athi ngikhuluma nangombhedo wenhlupheko
Uthi ngiyakhuluma nangombhedo wenhlupheko, umbhedo obuhlungu. Uthi ngiyakhuluma. But who's able to listen?
kodwa ubani okhona
Who's able to obey?
ubani okhona ukulalela
The moment you achieve that thing
isikhathi sozuze lento
of
leyo
obedience,
Yokulalela.
there is nothing that you go through
awukukho ongadlula kini
that God takes sees the light.
uNkulunkulu akuthathe kancane
God will take it personal.
uNkulunkulu uzokuthatha
This is my
kwenze
child, this is my daughter, this is my son.
yami indodana
This
yami
cannot happen to him.
lokho akwazi kwenzeka kuye
He personalizes it.
uyakuthatha kwenze kwakhe
Yabona imoto laba ipersonalize ama number plate ibhala in igama lomuntu. Personalized. That's how you become emehlweni kaNkulunkulu. Ukubhale kuye. Ukubhale wena, uzibhale. You are personal to him.
kuye ngowakhe
You are personal. Nothing can be able to disturb you.
akukho ongakhona ukukuphazamisa
No matter what you face.
noma ngabe ungabhekana
It's
ngani
personal.
ngokwaNkulunkulu ngqo
It's a personal relationship with God.
ubudlelwano obuqondana noNkulunkulu
It's not group work.
akusumsebenzi
Many
weqembu
people are serving God with group work.
abantu abaningi bakhonza uNkulunkulu umsebenzi wamacebo
Group work. You pray because you are in a group.
ukhuleka ngoba useqembini
You fast because the church says you must fast.
uzila ngoba ibandla lifanele zile
You give because they said asihlanganiseni. When it's personal,
mawukuqondene
God speaks to you alone.
uNkulunkulu ukhuluma
He does not invite people.
ngamema
He
manje
speaks to you. The moment you obey him there, heavens open.
amazulu avulwe
God takes it personal.
uNkulunkulu yakuthatha
Anyone who touches you is personal. Anyone who tries you is personal.
abantu zama uNkulunkulu
Many miss this opportunity.
abaningi balahlekelwa yile
They want to listen to God with groups.
bafuna ukulalela uNkulunkulu ngamacebo
I will do it if others are doing it.
Uzokwenza uma ngabe abanye
You are not yet personal, man. Become a personal person with God.
umuntu ubhekane
Be obedient
lalela
to his word.
lalela izwi lakhe.
Become personal.
Qondana noNkulunkulu, bhekana noNkulunkulu buso nobuso.
Come out of group work.
Phuma emsebenzini
Miriam and Aaron, they became a group.
noNkulunkulu baba iqembu.
And they spoke against Moses as a group. Yet God was personal with Moses. Moses without a group, without friends, alone, God was able to come down. He's alone but he's mine. He's alone but I'm personal with him. I'm personal with him. He's alone but I'm personal. Mary and Aaron form a group. God says, not so with my servant Moses. But it's personal. Anything Elias are going to personalize. He's my friend. He's not just my prophet. That's how many people fail. God coming to you, speaking to you alone. You are looking for a group. Because you think it's heavy. What can be heavy for God? It's you who's heavy to listen to God. Nothing is heavy. It's you who's heavy. Your disobedience, your rebellion is what stops you from obeying God.